Hey, what's up, you guys? We're back. Finally, somebody decided to come back to work. I'm just teasing with you. Man, I can't believe it. Man, been a long time coming. Tom's been off rested now for about 5 weeks. So, we're cushioning back into some stuff. Matter of fact, I know we've showed you all this job a gazillion times. Let me spin you around. I know we've showed you this one here a gazillion times, but in all fairness, we've been doing a lot of things here, sewing up a lot of loose ends. And if you can see up here in that skylight, I'm going to try to zoom in here for you. See if that, well, that was the exact opposite. There we go. So what we're doing is we purposely left these skylights out of the master bath on purpose because they were having a roofing company come in and put a brand new roof over here up above us, and the skylights were part of the new roof. So until they actually went up there with the new skylights, it didn't make a whole lot of sense to trim these boxes out up here in the ceiling line, trim them out real pretty, because we really didn't know if they were going to be an exact fit, if they were going to have those skylights sit back on and overlap. Well, as it turns out, I want to show you one we ain't done yet. If you can kind of see what's going on, there you go. Get up here and hear a little bit better. So that's the actual skylight itself, that white trim that is all part of the glass and all part of it. And they put these back in. They did not have the exact size. They actually went about an inch or so bigger. So that's how they look now, and that's why we're back in here this late in the game dealing with this, because they had to address those first. So we've already got this one done up here. It's really hard for me to kind of show you, but the trim's up there, it's all wrapped, and we matched the wall color. That was a pain in the rear to get to for the obvious. But this one here is the next one we're gonna be addressing. So there you go. You can kind of get a good shot of it right there. So that's what we've already done. We trimmed all that and brought it a little bit lower than the pretty white face of the actual skylight itself, and then we painted all that. So that is what we are doing in here now. We're gonna make this one match all in the same breath. So with that being said, truly thankful Tom's back. Everything's okay, everything's good. And we're actually already in another project. We just had to make some time for this project to get back over here and sew up a couple of these loose ends. But all in all, this is one of our favorite. And keep in mind, we have 6 of these countertops coming up. This is one. We've got 6 of these we're actually doing. So these are coming up real soon. We've already got a lot of the material going on with those. And copper and a couple other colors, kind of like that niche. That's epoxy too. We're going to be doing those on these counters that are coming up. All right, so look, you guys, I went and got Mr. Jim here, the homeowner. So we've got both of these skylights that I was showing you all. We got both of them done now. What do you think about that, Jim?
Looks great.
I'm going to show the people here, yeah. So the skylights basically were setting a little bit past your opening. They couldn't find the exact match.
So
they had to go a little bit bigger. Yep. So those are all trimmed out up in there and just made it. We've been holding on that for a while because there you go.
Yeah, let me flip the light off.
Oh yeah, they've never seen this. Go ahead. Let me turn that one off back there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they've never seen this. I think every time we were here, there you go. Check that out. So every time we were here, and look, even the shower down here, we've got it, acts like it's lifted, like the whole shower is like levitating. So we ran lights up underneath, but this makes for a really cool night light in here. Really cool. So every color of the rainbow. We've never been over here yet when it's completely pitch black, when it's dark outside. So we've always had these skylights here bringing in so much light you all have never gotten to see up there. So that's what it looks like if you come in here and take a shower without any lights on. Let me duck down here. Look how cool that is. So there's the shower head and all that right above my head. And then all that open space. We wanted all that on purpose on the front side. So they can come in here and do with as they wish. But
Nice touch.
yeah,
It is a nice.
really nice touch there. So yeah, so
Another great job.
all right, you guys. So look, that's it. I'm standing here with the homeowner, Mr. Jim. Look, Tom's back. We're all excited. Jim, real quick for the audience tuning in, just real brief on your experience with us in here. Thumbs up to everybody.
Thumbs up, outstanding, the best talented craftsmen we've used here. Just outstanding work, just outstanding.
Well, we appreciate everything, Jim. And as you all know, I'm sure we'll be back out here for more work at some point. So we just wanted to bring y'all with us last minute here, get them skylights finished out. Everything's done here. We have sewed this one up and we're moving on to the next one. Till the next one, y'all. See you back real soon.